Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video we are going to talk everything regarding different types of various different kinds of jobs interior designers can do. This has various fields and very different fields as well. So let's see what are they. First one, basic one, is residential interior designer. You design a home, you renovate a home, or you redecorate the home, all these kind of things residential interior designers do. Or you can take a new home and do its interior designing. Then in that only, in both in residential and other kinds, you design kitchens. You not only this is one is mainly is residential kitchens, and secondly you design kitchens for various hotels, hospitals, these sort of commercial spaces, and pantries and all those. So kitchen design has its own technique because due to modularity, and you need to include all your kitchen equipment. So hotel kitchen designing, so kitchen designing has its own kind of specialization. Then you have bathroom designing. You can work as a particularly as a bathroom designer for a interior design project, and even this has very really high scope. Yes, in India there is more to kitchen, less to bathroom, but still it's gaining high amount of specialization as well. So you can become bathroom interior designer. Commercial interior designer, where you design all these commercial spaces like hospitals, hotels, healthcare, shops, offices, anything that is commercial, you can do commercial interior designer. So it has various fields in it. Then you have a lighting designer, where you look about lighting and about in that space. Especially this one is used in all these exhibition areas and all, and one of the major areas where lighting designer is used as visual merchandiser. And even visual merchandiser itself is a field where interior designer can have a really high scope of working. This visual merchandiser means, while you will be walking through malls, you will be having various different shops, but there would be one shop where you feel like, oh, I want to go in this shop, even though you don't have anything to buy, you don't need anything from that shop, but that shop will attract you so much that you go into that shop. So there are various things associated with. Sometimes these eatery shops do it by smell, sometimes all these lightning effects and the way interior design layouts, all these make you they grab you into their store. So this is the work of visual merchandiser. This has high scope for all these fashion related and accessory related items. Then you have furniture designer, where you design furnitures, all different sort of furnitures. And now there is a high scope for modular furniture and furniture which can be fitted in very small areas, and you can use, or you can have different kinds of uses of them. Then you can be a event or a party decorator, where nowadays these decoration, even wedding sets, and you can work with wedding planners or event organizers to decorate their spaces. So this can be a cool work for interior designers can do. Then you have production or set design. This one is very out of way, which people won't think much about. These two, especially event designer and all this production and set designer, where you work to create sets of the films, sets of your TV series or say OTT series or serials, all these. So even this is a booming field, so you can work as a production and set designer. And if you are new to my channel, if you are watching this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, please like, share. I make videos regarding design and related fields and creative fields, all the jobs different kinds of jobs you can get from creative fields. That's why the name Creative Careers, CREATIVCAREERS. And you can work as a production or a set designer for any film set, TV set or OTT set. Then you can be an interior design blogger, that you write blogs about the interior designing, or you can become a vlogger just like me, where I share information regarding interior designing from a video mode. There are many vloggers and there are many interior design bloggers. and you can be a CAD drafter, where you, because you will be knowing CAD design, you will be knowing AutoCAD and all. You work as a drafts person in any architecture firm. You can act as a drafter. Then you can work as a 3D modeler and renderer, where you make 3D models in SketchUp, 3ds Max and Revit, and you render them in the spaces like V-Ray and Luminon. So this is one more work which interior designers can do. Then you have exhibition designing, where when there will be various different sort of exhibition around the cities and the places, so a interior designer can also be become an exhibition designer, and he chooses how people will walk around the space, which things should be placed, which art piece should be placed where, so that people get more accentuated to it. All these things are decided by an exhibition designer. Then last but not the least, you have lifestyle accessory design, where you design luxury furniture, luxury decorative items, and even DIY products. You can make it by yourself, and all those interior decorative pieces you can make as a lifestyle accessory designer. And these are the major things in which an interior designer can work. And of course freelancing is definitely there, but as I said, you will be designing, you will be making a firm for that in the beginning of your career, that is for residential, either for commercial. Then you will be definitely a freelancer. So these were the various kinds of jobs interior designer can do. So if you like this, if you gained enough knowledge, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.